The passing of Stephen Francis is a huge loss for Jamaican athletics. He wasn't just a coach, he basically created the platform for Jamaican athletes. In 1999, Stephen Francis, along with Bruce James and some other friends, decided to start the MVP Track Club. And from the MVP Track Club, we get the likes of Asafa Powell, Shelly-Ann Fraser, Sherika Jackson, and Elaine Thompson-Herah. Yes, you hear that right. Bridget Foster Hilton, one of the earliest successful story in the World Championship medal under his guidance. Also, Sharon Simpson. I wonder if I remember all of them big athletes there. So basically, what Stephen Francis did was this company scene and he make them know say, yo, look here, you see the Jamaican athlete them, but now if you lose them out to the likes of America, they can train right here in Jamaica and be world champion. And as we see, him never did a tell a lie because Asafa, who was the former world record holder, and is also dubbed the sub 10 king. Also, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. You know, you don't get no bigger than that, right? Because you know, say Shelly-Ann are the double Olympic medalist, gold medalist, all type of medalists and things, in. And also Sherika Jackson. And most notably, Elaine Thompson-Herah. And as you know, when Elaine Thompson left the MVP camp, we all saw that there was a dip in her performance. Zine, and we're not gonna really blame that on Francis or whatever. She must know why she changed. But we just try showing some of the athlete them. And most recently too, when it comes to the male side, he also coach Michael Frater and also Kishane Thompson. And you know Kishane Thompson are one of our best male prospect where track and field is concerned. So this one is a big, big loss for Jamaica. Big, big loss. You understand? So him just build that in MVP into a big, successful athletic story. So in 2017, he received the Order of Jamaica for outstanding contribution to sport. More importantly, he inspired the generation of Jamaican coaches and athletes. They could achieve great things without leaving home. You see it? So we not have to lose with talent them to America. Because most of the time when them train in America, them decide to run for America. No. Not the man they make you know say, yo, we can do this now, we can do this by our own. And him have so many things to prove that. You understand? He didn't just coach champions. He built a legacy that transformed Jamaica into the sprint capital of the world. You hear that? Sprint capital of the world. His athletes continue to race, but his impact on Jamaican athletics will live on for generations. Before becoming the most respected coach in athletics, Francis studied management at the University of the West Indies and later earned an MBA in finance from the University of Michigan. Despite having opportunities to build career in business, he chose coaching because he believed Jamaica had all the talent it needed to dominate the world in sprinting. Never tell a lie, my boss. Never tell a lie, none at all. So you know, Sam started in coaching at the high school level. See, his method quickly began producing results. In 1999, he co-founded the MVP Track and Field Club in Kingston. At the time, many believed Jamaica's best athletes had to move overseas to reach the top. Stephen Francis challenged that belief. He built a world-class training environment right here in Jamaica, proving that Olympic and world champions could be developed at home. Well proven. His list of athletes reads like a Hall of Fame. He coached Asafa Powell, turning him into the world's fastest man and a former 100-meter world record holder. 'Cause you know, before Bolt, you know, say Asafa had the record for the 100-meter down. Yeah, man. So he also helped develop Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce into one of the greatest female sprinter in history, winning multiple Olympics and World Championship titles. He guided Elaine Thompson-Herah from a promising athlete into the first woman to successfully defend Olympic gold medal in both the 100 and 200 meter. You know, say, I don't know, normal. accomplishment them they don't. You understand? He also coached Sherika Jackson, Olympic champion Melanie Walker, Bridget Foster Hilton, Sharon Simpson, Michael Frater, and in recent years, Kishane Thompson, one of Jamaica's newest sprint star. You know, say Kishane a go on with him thing done. Yeah, man. Big up your athlete them. Under his leadership, MVP Track Club became one of the most successful track clubs anywhere in the world, producing countless Olympic medals, world championship titles, and world record. Stephen Francis didn't just create champions, he changed the mindset of an entire nation. He showed the world that Jamaica wasn't just producing great athletes, it was producing some of the greatest athletes of all time through Jamaican coaching, Jamaican training, and Jamaican belief. His passing is a tremendous loss, but his legacy will continue. Every time a Jamaican sprinter steps onto the track wearing the black, green, and gold, rest in peace, Coach Stephen Francis. Thank you for believing in Jamaica and for showing the world what Jamaica could achieve. Big up yourself, Stephen Francis. Rest in peace and condolence to your family. Jamaica appreciate everything that you've done for the culture and for athletics. Rest in peace, my boss.